Monkeys on Monkey Island. On a windy rooftop and patio. I mean, check out the architecture. That's really, really cool. But look at this area. Man, crowded city, vibrant, but check out the ocean. Storms coming, high rises everywhere. It's wild. Very cool, but a little on the windy side. Okay, you know how we talked about the truth setting you free? The truth will set you free. Here's the Truth Sanctuary. I just had to show this to you. It's in Pattaya. Amazing. It is. There's a part of the nervous system that builds the body. That's located here and here. Sound travels faster through a solid than it does through air. The sound is getting to both ears about the same time. Close off this ear. It's louder there. Coming back from the bamboo school, they got a little area up at the lake. Here I am. This is the top part of the school. Actually, the housing area, that's one. This is where we're staying tonight. Here's the bottom half of our place. Here's where the boys are housed. That's where Catherine is housed. And it's kind of like a resting area. Give you a clue, but this is amazing. Brilliant kids here like you can't believe. Yeah, I'm talking about you, buddy. He's going to teach me how to play the guitar. Are you going to teach me how to play the guitar? Yeah? Say yeah.
Everybody needs some love, L-O-V-E. Everybody needs some love. Come on now.